Alright, hello and welcome to Kawaii Gifts. Today we're going to be looking at two KidRobot enamel pins. Both are $5.99. The first one is KidRobot X Yummy World and there's 16 designs, and the second one is KidRobot X Adventure Time and there's also 16 designs. Let's take a closer look. Oh my gosh, they're super cute. Who's your guys' favorite character? Oh my gosh, I love them all so much. Okay, let's open up the Yummy World one first. It's the hamburger. Oh my gosh, it's so shiny. And there's two thick prongs on it, so it'll really stay on strong. Alright, next the Adventure Time one. Oh, it's Jake. He's so cute. And again, two prongs and then rubber back. Super good, super strong. Alright, and here's them together. And let's do a little size check. They're like bigger than a quarter, just so you guys know. They're like pretty large pins. So I think these guys are both really fun. And remember, DM to purchase.